Hey everybody, Lucas here from Top Notch Music School. We're going to continue with our blues initiation course. In the first one, we learned the position of the chords in the left hand. In the second, the blues structure with the left hand also. And in this one, we're going to start with our right hand, which is in this case what creates the melody. Okay. For this, I need to explain you the pentatonic scale. So this is how it would sound. All right, this would be the pentatonic scale of C. All right, so the pentatonic scale doesn't matter in what note you do it; it always has the same structure as well. So I'm going to show you now how you know what a pentatonic scale is. Okay, from C to C sharp, there's half a tone. Okay, and from C sharp to D, there's another half a tone. From C to D directly, there's one whole tone, yeah? So it's either half or a full tone. All right, so this is the structure. We start in C and we go to D sharp. Okay, so that would be half a tone, half a tone, half a tone. So 1.5 tones to the next note. Then the next note is F. Okay, so this is half a tone and another half a tone here. So one whole tone. 1.5 here, 1 here, and then we do F sharp, which is half a tone, another half a tone to G. Okay, so we have 1.5, 1, half, half a tone. Okay, and the next one would be A sharp, which is half a tone here, half a tone here, half a tone here. Same as the beginning, there's 1.5 tones. And we finish in the same note we started, which is C, which is one whole tone, half and half. Okay? So I would like you to practice this scale up and down a few times so you get a bit of agility on your right hand. And this is how you would play it. You would start here with your thumb on C, go to D sharp with your index finger, and then you take your thumb underneath the index finger to play the next note, F, and then you have the whole hand here to play the rest of the notes. It's the position of the hand and the fingers is very, very important in any kind of music. I mean, specifically in blues, it definitely is, because you always have to be ready for the next thing. Okay. And back down. Play it again. If you see here, I put my thumb again under my index here because I know I'm going higher and higher. So if I wanted to go up to the next octave, I can always keep going very comfortably. Okay, so for the next week, I would like you to practice up and down the C pentatonic scale. Okay, good luck everybody, see you in the next chapter. Hey, Lucas here from Top Notch Music School. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you later.